This here is the elevator at Nordstrom here at Oak Park Mall in Overland Park, Kansas. This is a new one for me. Not sure what elevator this is. If anybody would know, please feel free to let me know in the comments. Oh, we're going up. Ooh, this one's a traction. Seems to be a Westinghouse. Coming down. Which floor? Alrighty. Traction elevators are so smooth. Alrighty, here we are at 1. Let's go back up to 3. Here we are at 3. Down to 1. Let's get a cab view. Very, very nice cab. Just as nice as the one at Dillard's. Very nice elevator. Here we are at 1. Let's go back up to 3. Let's end it down at 2. There it goes. And that's it.